In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can customize your theme in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com. Once you're inside your main dashboard after logging into your account, click right here on Support. You should see a drop-down menu appear and you're going to go to Knowledge. After that, go to Knowledge Admin right here, and from here, you should see the Customize Design option on the left panel. This is where you can add a theme. As you can see, there is even a theme library that where you can add a new one. So you can add a Copenhagen theme or a marketplace theme. You can even import a new theme or add from GitHub. From here, the newly added theme can then be used for your Zendesk account. Let's have this for example. So choose one. Then, once you added a new theme, you can now use that for your Zendesk Help Center interface. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.